What happened in first part of match? What happened? 32, 4 points.
Well, I think they played really aggressive defense, and we had really no luck in our shots. We were missing a lot of shots, and they were scoring almost all their shots. They were more aggressive in offense too. We were a little lost, but second half was better. But unfortunately, we had already some points behind, and it's hard to like run behind the points from the second half. You know. Yeah.
That was the last chance on the final floor. Are you?
It was the last chance. We can win against Satumara, you know? From
Really?
30 points at home, and then against Brno, and then we can be qualified.
What do you think about our game?
Well, I think they were really aggressive, and we need to practice on aggressiveness too. Like, it's aggressiveness and be detailed. You know, the details. Pay attention and good passes. We had a lot of turnovers and box out and defense because they had a lot of offensive boards too. So.